The main purpose of the network really is to kind of create an awareness of what the other's doing and what's happening within the sort of arts and education sector. So really it's about having a kind of big collective brain in the cloud of what's going on and what could go on.
We're at the point of a very exciting change in the curriculum. Creative learning is the way forward and it can access other subjects through it.
Y peth gorau sydd wedi digwydd yn ein rhwydwaith ni blwyddyn yma yw bod athrawon nawr yn gwybod bod ni'n bodoli, bod nhw'n gwybod bod yr adnoddau allan iddyn nhw yn rhad ac am ddim, bod help iddyn nhw a bod ni yna i gysylltu â nhw unrhyw bryd.
It's a great thing, you know, we can then call upon each other, we can do collaboration work, we can work together with our classes. There's many things that come from these sorts of events.
Our teachers are wonderful, they work so hard, and for them to have a time to step out of their daily routine and to just be creative, to have ideas, to spark inspiration. Hopefully that's what we've achieved.
Da ni wedi gwneud lot o bethau mentrus, hwyliog, ond safonol, ac mae'r adborth gan yr athrawon wedi gwneud yn eitha emosiynol ar adegau oherwydd maen nhw wirioneddol yn ddiolchgar am y cyfle ac wirioneddol gwerthfawrogi yr hyfforddiant sy'n cael ei roi. Felly, mae wedi bod yn amser anhygoel o ddifyr.
It's really great to meet people who love what they do and wanted to share that with children and with other professionals.
It's really powerful when teachers go back and tell their colleagues and their peers about what's going on. The whole creative learning programme can really impact the teaching and education professionals as well as the children, which is fantastic.
The more we can support and also find the different areas of support and resources for schools and for teachers, the more they'll benefit. I think it's all beginning to start to fit together and it's going to be really powerful.